Hey everyone, Sean Ryan here from the Ryan Realty Group and eXp Realty Canada, and I hope everyone had a fabulous week. It is Friday Fun Day, and I'm happy to introduce you guys to a new listing today that'll be coming on next week. Probably around Thursday, showings are going to start. There's actually a link in the description here too if you want to book your showing ahead of time. And as we get the marketing info like pictures and videos, we also try to update it on our website before it goes live, just to keep everyone updated. So where we are today here is we are at in Twin Lakes in Sarnia, Lambton, and we are at 802 Esser Crescent. Beautiful neighborhood. This is a lovely big two-story as well. So let me just switch the camera around here really quickly so you can see the neighborhood here. Beautiful neighborhood. And here we go. It's a large two-story home. I'll give you a quick look at the backyard as well. So we got 4 bedrooms upstairs. They're all very large. We have 4 bathrooms in this house. Beautiful ensuite. All the bathrooms are actually pretty new in the last 3 years. Here's the backyard. So nice large deck. See the nice covered gazebo there. There is a gas line for the barbecue. Look at all these beautiful trees. Really my favorite time of the year, as all the leaves start to change colors. So yeah, last 3 years, almost everything in this house has been redone. So you got windows, you got brand new kitchens, granite countertops, some built-in appliances, 4 bedrooms up, 4 bathrooms in total, hardwood floors throughout. Really the list goes on and on. Like the roof's only 8 years old, garage doors are pretty new, and really it's a turnkey 2-story in Twin Lakes. It's gonna be $549,900. So really a really awesome value when you think about it. You got a finished rec room with a second fireplace, so you have one that's natural wood burning that gets used all the time, and then you also have a natural gas one in the basement too, which is awesome. So you get best of both worlds. You got a big cellar in the basement, new furnace as well, and there's also a full security system here too. So if that's something that you want to utilize, it's already here as well. So look for this one next week. Check out the link in the description. It goes to our website. You could book a showing. Look for more marketing info as it come out, like pictures and video and all that great stuff too. Everyone have a fabulous weekend. It's a beautiful day today. And remember, put Sean on. Thanks everyone.